Hello, myself Deepak Shirbhate. I am working as a principal of Vikramshila Polytechnic, Darapur, Taluka Daryapur district, Amravati, Maharashtra state of India. And today I am going to demonstrate you VRML virtual reality modeling language fog control the script using Vivati Studio. So in this particular preview video, you can see that there are two arrows. One is the red arrow which will decrease the visibility, and other is the green arrow which will increase the visibility. And there is a row of trees, and you can see the effect of fog or visibility increasing and decreasing phenomena with the help of this script. So behind this particular effect there is a fog control script which is working, and with that we can increase or decrease the intensity of the fog. So we will start with this particular code. Now in this particular code there are certain aspects which cannot be explained, so I have included those aspects also. In this particular code there is dial PNTR, and it's a reference which is playing one crucial role. I don't know the exact role. I was unable to understand the role of dial PNTR and its reference, but deleting this node will cause code to become inactive and non-responsive. I have hidden dial PNTR under green arrow to avoid confusion. This may be related with orientation interpolator. I don't know exactly the reason why it was included in the code. Orientation interpolator, it is like this and having the key value. So with the orientation interpolator, actually we can change the orientation of the object. That is called as orientation interpolator. I have created one example of the football for explaining the orientation interpolator. This interpolator is used to animate object, rotating them according to the values in the key value field. A complete example is now presented. A shape is drawn at the origin. The orientation interpolator will rotate the shape to right by 180 degrees and down again by 180 degrees. The cycle is repeated forever. So it will be in a loop. Then this is the script which is controlling the fog. So this script is responsible. These are the script fields, and these are the roots. So there will be 4 roots which will be required. Fog and scalar interpolator. With scalar interpolator you could interpolate the intensity of light, the transparency of an object, or any other scalar value. It can be increase or decrease, or it can be controlled. Then there are again some roots, and this is how we can create the code which will control the fog. So this is the code which I have opened in Vivati Studio. I have created several viewing angle, and you can see the effect. The visibility can be increased, or fog intensity can be increased or decreased. So green arrow will increase the visibility, red arrow will decrease the visibility, and in this way the effect of fog can be controlled. Now I have placed the trees on the ground. I have given one texture of soil, cracked soil to the ground, and here the texture is visible. When you decrease the visibility, when you increase the visibility, texture is visible. You can see the texture now. Okay. So the trees are on the ground having cracked soil texture, and then I have placed some numbers also, and I have created several viewpoints. This is a last viewpoint, so it means that I have created the visibility up to 200 meters, but actually our visibility, fog visibility is up to 50 meters. But I have actually planted the trees up to 200 meters, and this is a wide front view. This is a reset view. You can, it will take you directly to the pointer, red and green pointer, and there is touch sensor in the red and green pointer, and they can be operated. So this is a fog control script. Of course it looks very easy, but creating a script is very much complicated. So this is how you can increase and decrease the effect. And here there are some numbers which are representing the distance. Exit 20, 30 means 30 meter, 40 meters, 50 meters, 100 meters, like that. This will be the last point, that is 200 meters. This distance is 200 meters. So thanks for watching my video. In case of any query or clarification, you can contact me on my contact details, and there is a free code available in the description. And check out the comment section for more links on Vivati Studio tutorials. Thank you.